Betrayal trauma rarely announces itself. It arrives like a rogue wave, swallowing the solid ground you were standing on, leaving your reality completely shattered. The damage goes far deeper than broken trust. This trauma specifically targets your sense of self. It distorts your reality, planting thoughts that your future is ruined, or that you've somehow lost your divine worth. This often leads to a profound spiritual silence. Women frequently describe feeling completely disconnected from God. That distance is biology, not a lack of faith. Severe trauma overwhelms the nervous system with chaotic stress signals, temporarily blocking peace. God has not abandoned you. Your system simply needs time to stabilize before that connection can fully resonate again. The natural instinct in the middle of chaos is to wait, to hope that circumstances improve, or that the person who hurt you will change. But waiting keeps you dependent on external factors that you cannot control. Surviving this storm requires a completely different approach. Healing cannot depend on what is happening around you. It depends on who you are bound to. We often think of a covenant as a simple promise or a membership badge, but Elder Alan T. Walker teaches that covenant faithfulness is an active force. It empowers us to rise above the limitations and pain of a fallen world. To understand how this works, we look back to the harsh environment of Mount Sinai, where the Lord made a specific declaration to Moses. This scroll shows Exodus 19:5, where the Lord promises if we keep his covenant, we become a peculiar treasure. That word treasure is deliberate. It's never found on the surface. It is forged through immense pressure, time, and careful refinement. President Russell M. Nelson explained that making a covenant physically and spiritually binds you to God. Because of that bond, he will never tire in his efforts to help you, and his merciful patience will never run out. Because you're bound to him, your stability is anchored to Jesus Christ. That creates an unshakable root system holding firm, independent of a spouse's choices. Living out that binding power every day is what we call the greenhouse principle. A greenhouse doesn't stop the storm outside. Instead, it deflects the weather, creating a controlled environment where fragile plants grow regardless of conditions. You build your internal greenhouse by fortifying 5 specific areas: spiritual, physical, emotional, intellectual, and relational nourishment. This becomes crucial when you are facing the heartbreak of watching someone you love drift away from their own covenants. Their choices are a painful, uncontrollable variable, but your healing cannot wait for their repentance. Your peace does not require their perfection, and your progress cannot be tied to their timeline. By tending strictly to your internal greenhouse and holding fast to your own covenants, your identity and your recovery remain safe from the storm raging outside. It is easy to think that overcoming betrayal requires massive, dramatic changes. But true recovery doesn't demand instant perfection. It is built through small, consistent daily habits. To maintain covenant connection, we use a repeatable framework called DPAR: discover, plan, act, reflect. You discover where to grow, plan a step, act, and reflect. As this cycle repeats, it compounds, bringing patterns of healing and increased spiritual sensitivity. This is where you start to see miracles. In healing, miracles are rarely grand spectacles. They are quiet, internal shifts. It is finding a moment of peace replacing panic, or feeling courage step in where fear used to be. You are not defined by the betrayal you suffered, or by someone else's agency. You are a covenant daughter of God, his peculiar treasure. The internal work of tending to your greenhouse belongs to you, but you are never meant to navigate this process alone. Finding a safe community and trained support is vital to rebuilding that foundation. Find your anchor. If you're ready to rebuild your internal greenhouse with tools that work, join the Worth Group or the Marriage Repair Workshop at Life Changing Services today.